Hello everybody, it's me Prizm Runner, and sorry for such a long delay. I didn't make any new videos, so today will be an English video. And I'm again would like to talk about the most important things about this cryptocurrency, which name is Prizm. So here we go. First of all, we should say in all the beginning that Prizm does not have any owner. You are the owner. When you are buying or selling coins, you are buying them directly on your wallet. So you are the owner of your own money, of your own coins, and just anytime you can sell them and exchange them on USD or Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, or you can at the same time you can also buy them and put them directly on your wallet. So there's no any restriction. Nobody can block your wallet because we have a blockchain technology here, and we have the core of this cryptocurrency, which name is Paramining, which would allow you to make money directly on your wallet. So as I said, you can sell or buy anytime without any restriction. Nobody can forbid you to do this. So the most important thing about here, that there are no referrals and there are no referral bonuses. So when you are talking with the new people and those new people get excited and get invited in the Prizm society by your help or without your help, it does not matter at all. You get nothing. You get no any referral bonuses. Even if somebody is going to buy 10,000 or 100,000 coins, the only one thing you could get in this situation, that this bonus, if this is your partner, it would allow you to get more coins, more Prizm coins. But the most important thing here, that you by yourself you should have a big amount of coins. If you have, for example, 100 or 1000, it's pretty little coins on your wallet. So if you want to get the most of it, you by yourself should have at least 10,000 coins, and the balances of your let's say partners should be at least 10,000, 100,000. At least in this situation you would be able to make a really good profit, passive income every month. You can get, for example, if your balance would be 10,000, every month you can get 2,000 Prizm. And if you have some kind of job, you can give up with this job and start working and living with Prizm, by Prizm, thanks to Prizm, because Prizm would allow you to have really passive income, because most of the people on the internet and Facebook, there are lots of different groups where lots of different people, they are looking for their passive income. They have been doing this for many years, many months. As myself, I spent almost 8 goddamn years I have spent of finding my own business and internet. Just think about it, just 8 years. When I was like 20s, I have been thinking about it, how to make money and without working, because I saw my parents, they have been working for every day almost from 9 to 8, 9 o'clock, and from Monday to Friday. Sometimes even my father, he used to work without any holidays, and we got nothing, our property. And I couldn't say we were living like rich people. Moreover, I will tell you one thing, that every year the situation were slowly was deteriorating, you know what I mean? So I already understood in my 20s that I must find some kind of business. And those 8 years, I couldn't say they were very successful, because I had lots of misfortune. I have been losing money lots of times, and I've been involved in some kind of projects. I couldn't tell they were very profitable, and I couldn't say it was like, definitely it was experience, but it wasn't so pleasant experience when we were making money there. Yeah, I was making money, but I couldn't say there were like a stable income. So in Prizm, I found everything I had been searching for so many years. I must tell you one thing that I have, I have been looking for Prizm for all my life. So if you still have some doubts, you don't have to put lots of great deal of money. You can start from 100 at least, just to check out this, how does it work. And definitely step by step you get involved in here, and definitely will be the most happiest man here, because you will get everything you have been looking as me, because you don't have to spend so much time as I did, because you don't have to repeat my own mistakes as I did. So I'm sharing with you my bitter experience, but anyway, you should underline, take the most of it. So the most important thing about Prizm is that only you have access to your wallet. When you're creating your own wallet, it's like your bank which belongs only to you, and thanks to that system which was created and founded in Prizm, you can make your own living, you can make your own life. You can start an absolutely different life with Prizm, because when you're creating wallet, it's like your mining factory, Paramining factory. It doesn't need GPU, CPU. The only thing you need to do is like to create wallet. And if you want, you can also join our team, Parawas team. We will help you to build a team instead of you, because most of the people, they don't know how to talk with the new people, how to make deals, how to make a real good profitable negotiations, and we can do all those things we can do instead of you. The only thing you need to do is just like treat our rules, because we are a team and we have rules, and you need to pay fees. You need to have at least 1000 Prizm coins on your wallet, and thanks to our team's work, you can get, for example, 1 million coins under your wallet, maybe in 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I couldn't say right now, I could say for sure. But if your balance would not be so high, definitely Prizm couldn't get you the most of it. But if you don't have so much money, you can start from 1000, or you can join another branch, because we have 2 branches. First branch is like you should start from 50 Prizm, and second you should start from 1000 Prizm. You can choose a pick. You can take a pick. So as I said before, Prizm is 100% freedom. You can do anything you want with your coins. You can sell them, exchange to USD dollars, just withdraw them on your wallet, on your card, debit card, debit card, like bank's card, credit card, it does not matter. You can do it anytime. You can also buy them, and then again you should put them on your wallet. The most important thing here is that you should keep your password from your wallet in a really reliable place, because if you won't take all the security issues pretty properly, they're really high chance of this that you, in one bad day, you're going to blow all your coins, because that situation could happen in your life. So I don't want this thing happen to you. So security is the most important thing here. Password should be kept in some very reliable place that nobody would ever know, so if you would follow all those security things, you should not worry about anything, but you should also keep that in your mind. So okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you really like it and share it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.